In a vibrant and colorful village nestled between rolling hills lived a curious and cheerful young baka. Baka was known for his adventurous spirit and his insatiable thirst for knowledge. One sunny morning, he embarked on a quest to explore the enchanted forest, a place whispered to hold secrets and wonders. As Baka ventured into the forest, he encountered a maze of twisting trees and sparkling streams. Fascinated by everything around him, he couldn't resist investigating further. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a peculiar-looking door nestled within the roots of a giant oak tree. Without hesitation, he pushed it open, revealing a world filled with glowing mushrooms and shimmering fireflies. In this enchanting realm, Baka met a wise old owl named Ali. Ali shared tales of the importance of kindness and empathy. Baka was intrigued and asked why these virtues mattered so much. Ali explained, "Kindness and empathy are like magical seeds. When you plant them in someone's heart, they grow into something beautiful, making the world a better place." Motivated by Ali's words, Baka set out to spread kindness. Along the way, he helped a lost bunny find its family, shared his snacks with hungry birds, and comforted a crying squirrel. As he continued his journey, Baka noticed the forest transforming. Flowers bloomed, the air felt lighter, and laughter echoed through the trees. The acts of kindness had spread joy and happiness everywhere. Returning to Ali, Baka excitedly shared his experiences. Ali smiled and said, "You've discovered the most magical secret, Baka. Kindness is the greatest adventure one can embark upon. It not only enriches the lives of others, but also fills your own heart with joy." With newfound wisdom, Baka bid farewell to Ali, carrying the lessons of kindness and empathy in his heart. As he left the enchanted forest, he promised to continue spreading kindness wherever he went.